y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with another organization video. So today we are going to do bling and enamel dots. You could kind of group in the other small things, you know, buttons, brads, eyelets, hey Pip, all of those things, but I am going to tackle my bling and enamel dots because I stored them together in my acrylic drawers and they have become overrun, and I think, stop Pip, I think that I want to organize them by color and give them a little more growing room. And right now I kind of have my enamel dots in a drawer and my bling in a drawer, and I want to just combine them together because I pretty much use them the same way, and I just want to organize them by color. So we are playing along with this crafty organization bingo that I created, and you can find this over on my Facebook group, or you can, if you're not on Facebook, I can email this to you. All the details are listed below in the description box. And we have tackled a lot of things. So at the end of the video, there is a playlist link that will pop up on the screen that you can click, and it will take you to all the videos in the organization series. And it also has several room tours from the past if you want to see those. I am going to do a new room tour at the end just to show you guys what all was accomplished this month. I'm so excited to get there. I'm not there yet. I am going to flip the camera around and I will show you guys how I have my drawers and what I want to do with them. Okay. So, I'll pop up a video of how these are stored. These are in an acrylic 3-drawer organizer that I got from Amazon. And, I have 4 sets of these drawers, but I think I'm going to take over 2 of them just for this. And I'm going to have to shuffle some other things around that's already stored in them. Get out. So that I can do them by color. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through and kind of lay all these out by color and then go from there. I'll have to, like I said, shuffle around some other drawers to fit these in, but I will try to post a little clip of how they are at the end. Okay, you can see I have all my stacks. I apologize for the glare. But you can see I have all my different stacks of colors. what I'm going to do is these have to still be cut apart and put by color. But what I'm going to end up doing is I will combine a lot of these. Like if they're just have a few on the sheet, I'll combine them onto another sheet so that I don't have as much packaging going in my drawers. And then I'm going to resort them out into drawers after I move some things. And I will post a short clip of that at the end once it's all done. Okay, so here's what they look like now that I have both sets filled up. I ended up combining red and pink, orange and yellow, then green has its own, blue and purple are together, and then I got white, silver, gold in one, and black and gray in the other one. I don't really have any brown, but if I do, I'll just toss them in, either with the black or I'll put them in for the gold. So, but I think I'm going to be happy with this. I don't have much yellow or orange, but that leaves me room to expand, right? So, thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope this inspires you. Let me know how you store your enamel dots. Post over on the Facebook group. I would love to see. And until next time, bye y'all.